Hello friends. My name is Mr. John. Welcome to Technique and Education. This is great place to learn what is motion and what are the types of motion. Let us know the detailed answer of these questions with Miss Lalita ma'am, Pooja and Arun.
Good morning, student.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are study about motion. In everyday life, we see some objects at rest and others in motion. Fish swim in the water. Fly of birds. And aeroplane. Moving like zombie is also an example of motion. Can you give some more example of motion?
Yes, ma'am. Fan rotated around its axle. The movement of planets around the sun. Pendulum of clock. Walking on road. Dancing. Pulling a drawer. Playing all are example of motion.
Pay attention, student. Atoms, molecules, planets, stars and galaxies are all in motion. An object may appear to be moving for one person and stationary for some other. For the passengers in a moving bus, the roadside trees appear to be moving backwards. A person standing on the roadside perceives the bus along with the passengers as moving. However, a passenger inside the bus sees his fellow passengers to be at rest. What do these observations indicate? Tell me, Arun.
Everything is moving or nothing is moving. All thing is depend upon point of view. Motion has no meaning without saying according to whom. Who is right? Everyone is right from on their point of view. Motion does not exist without a point of view or frame of reference.
Nice, Arun. I think all students understand the observations of passenger in moving bus. Now go to the definition of motion. Motion of a body is defined as the change of position of a body with respect to time and frame of reference. The point where your focus is frame of reference for defining motion. For example, when your object is moving with position A to position B, it changes its position with respect to time. Are you understand the motion?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Type of motion.
Now we'll go to the next topic, type of, that is type of motion. These are rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion, and periodic motion. Pooja, are you know about rectilinear motion?
Yes, ma'am. I know about rectilinear motion. A linear motion in which the direction of the velocity remains constant and the path is a straight line. Some examples of linear motion are a parade of soldiers, a train moving along a straight line, and many more.
Good job, Pooja. Now go to circular motion. Circular motion is a movement of an object along the circumference of a circle or rotation along a circular path. It can be uniform, with constant angular rate of rotation and constant speed, or non-uniform with a changing rate of rotation. You can perform very easy activity in your home, which is an example of circular motion. Take a piece of thread and tie a small piece of stone at one of its ends. Move the stone to describe a circular path with constant speed by holding the thread at the other end. A stone describing a circular path with a velocity of constant magnitude.
Question for you.
Can you tell the direction in which the stone moves after it is released? Find the direction in which the stone moves after it is released by repeating the activity for a few times. And releasing the stone at different positions of the circular path. Check whether the direction in which the stone moves remains the same or not. Can you give some more example of circular motion?
Yes, ma'am. Motion of a wheel. Revolution of moon around the earth. Turning of a car around a curve.
Well done, Arun. Now go to rotational motion. Rotational motion is the motion that occurs when a body rotates on its own axis. A few examples of the rotational motion are the motion of the earth about its own axis around the sun. Rotation of fan about its axle. While driving a car, the motion of wheels and the steering wheel about its own axis. Are you understand the rotational motion?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now move to the today last topic, that's periodic motion. A motion that repeats itself after equal intervals of time is known as periodic motion. Example of periodic motion is motion of a pendulum, motion of earth round the sun, the motion of the hands of a clock. Pooja, can you tell the period of motion of the hands of clock?
Yes, ma'am. Period of motion of the hour's hand is 12 hours. Period of motion of minutes hand is 1 hour and the period of motion of seconds hand is 1 minute.
Well done, Pooja. Today's class is over. Meet to next class. Thank you, student.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Question for you.
When does a car is appear to be stationary with respect to another moving car?
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share the video, and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get updated. Okay friends, bye bye.